Welcome back to the CryptoLabs YouTube channel. Let's go. Feeling stoked, feeling pumped. Just came back from an extremely high-speed car drive in the R8. We'll bleep that out so I don't get arrested. But it was on a rate. It was on a closed course. So we're all good. We're all legit and legal. I'm feeling super high vibe though after that drive, and I want to answer the question: can you make a full-time income yield farming? Can you? And my answer is yes. Now, some people are going to say scam, not true, impossible, you need billions of dollars to do it, and some people will get inspired by that message. But if you ask me, Lucas, how do you know? It's because I've done it. It's because members on our team are doing it. It's because clients in our community are doing it. It's because I know a lot of people who've made millions of dollars in crypto and they no longer have to work. Like, I've seen it with my own eyes. It's not just theory. To make a couple $100s per day is not that difficult in crypto DeFi or in any opportunity. Now, you might be saying, Lucas, maybe it works for you, but it doesn't work for me. I dislike this question. Oh, can I make a full-time income? Because you can make a full-time income in a business, in an online business. You can make a full-time income, honestly, streaming on YouTube, playing video games. You can make a full-time income doing anything. Lucas, how do you know? It's because other people have done it. Our doubts and our fears of is it possible for me is always our own crap. If I could speak frankly, and I hope you're okay with this, we have let ourselves down so many times in the past. I personally believe anything is possible. That's not ego, that's not me being cocky. I'm saying if I wanted to do anything, I could do it. I was not always that way. There was a time in my life where I thought everything was impossible. If someone would have said, hey, you can make a full-time income doing this, or you could make some money doing this, I'd say, impossible, or scam, or it works for you, it doesn't work for me. I broke my word with myself so many times in my 20s. I'd say I'd do something and then I didn't. Or I said I'd do something for 30 days, or increase my health, or go work out, or do this, or wake up earlier, or go have a cold shower, or go stay consistent with A, B, or C, and then I wouldn't follow through. And every time I did that, I lost a little bit of confidence in myself. And if I kept doing that, I knew that I was a liar. And so anything that came out of my mouth or into my mind or any idea I had, I knew I was lying about it. And this video is clearly a little bit more mindset than actual crypto DeFi. The tactics of anything, the actual doing of anything is really, really easy. That's the simple part. Many times I could tell you exactly what you need to do and you still won't do it. Why? I see this happen in the UIG too. People sign up, they're pumped. Then they have their marching orders and they don't follow through with it. Why? Maybe it's they don't want it bad enough, although I'd say everyone wants financial freedom, so I think everyone wants it really bad. They don't believe they can do it for themselves, even if we have dozens and dozens of members every single week posting, I'm making $200 a day, I'm making $300 a day. Someone's doing $600 per day. That is a full-time income. And their money is detached from their time, so it's even more. Like, it's even more special. It's even more impactful. And they still don't believe they can do it for themselves. And I dare you. This is my challenge to you. Let me know if you're going to take me up on this challenge for 30 days. Just follow through on what you said you were going to do. The small things. Okay, I'm going to exercise 3 times a week. Okay, do it. Well, I don't feel like it today. Do it anyway. Okay, well, I said I'd go for a walk every day. Do it. I don't feel like it. Do it anyway. I said I'd clean my room or clean my office or clean my car or stop playing video games or not watch Netflix or follow through on eating healthy or just whatever that is. Do it. But today I'm just so hungry. Do it anyway for 30 days. Take me up on this. If after 30 days it's not working for you, your life is not drastically changing, you don't have more confidence, you're not making more money, you're not following through on the things you actually want, things aren't working for you after 30 days, then you can come back here, call me a scam, call me a liar, Call this BS. You can slam me all over the internet, but I promise you, if you actually follow through on all the small things, you build up confidence in yourself, you're going to start believing too that anything is possible for you. I've started so many things. I've started so many businesses. I've started so many side hustles in my last 10, 12 years. I've found ways to make money in so many different ways. And it always worked. Because I followed through. Yes, you can make a full-time income doing this crypto DeFi thing. Yes, you can start with a small amount and build it up over time. Yes, you can start with a larger amount and get there quicker. The starting amount doesn't matter. It does not matter. Because if you get resourceful, you will find a way. I know people who started businesses with $0. I started 30, 40 grand in debt. And I built multi-million-dollar businesses. No money. In fact, negative balance. But I got effing resourceful. I'm not trying to yell. I just get so passionate about this. I'm like, people don't understand that at their fingertips, a decision away, they could change the rest of their freaking life. Their entire life. Every aspect of it. And if they applied themselves every single day for 365 days for 1 year, your life can look drastically different in 1 year. Relationships, health, fitness, money, financial. You could have a portfolio that's printing you cash. Stop giving up on yourself. Stop thinking it's possible for someone else. Because if they can do it, you can do it. But you got to follow through. And sometimes we just have to start with the small things. Everyone wants to jump to the, can I make a full-time income? Can I make $1,000 per day? The answer is yes. But can you do it right now? There might be some skills we have to learn. There might be some leveling up in our character. There might be some cleaning up in our lives we have to do so we can get into more alignment and have more energy to actually achieve that. But yes, you can do it. But we jump to these big things. I'm like, can you make $1 per day? Can you start with that? We have the Your First Dollar in DeFi challenge for a reason in the UIG. If you skipped it and you're trying to get to the big stuff, go back to it. Your First Dollar in DeFi, $1 per day. Can you do it? And when you find you can, you're like, whoa. It's not about the $30 a month. It's about, whoa, I did it. Can I do $3 per day? Oh my God, I'm making $100 a month. Okay, can I do 10? Yeah, I think I could. Okay, I did 10. Could I do 25? That's how our 6-figure DeFi challenge is laid out. $3 per day, $10 per day, $25 per day. Then we go to 50, 100, 200, 300. Baby steps, one step at a time. Check mark, yep, achieved it. Next, check mark, yes. Ooh, my confidence, my momentum is building. I'm feeling good. This is working. I'm cheering for you so damn hard. And then whatever car you want to buy, whatever watches you want to buy, whatever trips you want to do, whatever travel you want to do, you'll do it later. But right now, let's start with the small stuff. Deal, handshake, commitment. Come back in 30 days. Do it every single day. Come back to 30 days in this video and let me know how that went. I guarantee you, your life is looking very different and you've built momentum towards the life that you want. That's all I got. I'm going to get out of here, finish this drive. Try to keep it a low key so I don't get impounded again, which is a story for a different day. With that said, I'll see you in the next video. Peace.